Have you been told credit cards are dangerous? That they lead to debt, stress, and financial ruin? That's only true if you don't know how the system works. Wealthy people use credit cards all the time, but they don't pay interest, they don't carry balances, and they definitely don't buy things they can't afford. So what do? They use credit cards as tools, not traps. First, they collect rewards. Every time they spend, they earn points, cash back, or travel perks. Money they would have spent anyway. Second, they build credit scores. By paying their cards on time, they unlock lower interest rates on homes, cars, and business loans. That can save thousands over time. Third, they leverage 0% APR offers. This means they can use the bank's money, interest-free, for up to 12 months. Imagine investing that money or using it to launch a side hustle. That's what smart people do. But here's the secret. They never miss payments. They never pay interest. And they treat credit cards like debit cards, spending only what they already have in the bank. You don't need to be rich to use these strategies. You just need discipline and knowledge. This isn't about tricking the system. It's about understanding it and using it to your advantage. So if you're tired of being afraid of credit cards, don't cut them up. Learn how to master them. This is Finverse, where we turn everyday tools into wealth-building machines.